Hi everyone, I'm Bobo, a Garmin product trainer. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Venu 4, this health lifestyle smartwatch in my hand. Building on Venu 3, it has more than 30 activities and apps recording functions. The battery life is up to 12 days. It provides advanced personalized sleep analysis and suggestions. With a built-in speaker and microphone, you can make and receive calls directly on the watch. It provides training effect, recovery time, workout animations, and Garmin Coach, making your training more targeted and efficient. It provides ECG recording and the 5th generation optical heart rate sensor. Compared with Venu 3, Venu 4 adds a stainless steel bezel, multi-band satellite frequencies, a LED flashlight function, and the Triathlon activity. Next, I will introduce to you the 8 new features of Venu 4. The first new feature is Garmin Fitness Coach. Open Garmin Connect. Select More at the bottom right. Training and Planning. Garmin Coach Plans. Find a plan. Improve fitness. In terms and conditions, select I accept. Select the Garmin Fitness Coach Plan. Set up plan. Here you can set your schedule, which days to train. Choose a strength type, full gym and body weight only, or no strength workouts. You can choose when you want to finish the plan, for weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, or a specific date. Select Create Plan. Got it. Your Garmin Fitness Coach is set up. Let's look at the watch screen. Go to Widgets. Select Garmin Coach. Today's workout is basic endurance. You can check your future training via watch or phone. Let's start today's workout. Pressing the top right button to start your training. The second new feature is Daily Workout Suggestions. The difference from Garmin Coach is you don't need to select training plans via the phone. You can operate directly on the watch. Daily workout suggestions are based on your past activity history, sleep, and recovery status. Daily workout suggestions provide the required training duration, intensity, and heart rate zone you need. Let's look at the watch screen. Press the top right button. Select Activities. Select the activity you want to do, like cardio. You can see the daily workout suggestion below. Select it to see details. Select Do Workout. Press the top right button to start. The third new feature is Mixed Session. The main purpose of this activity is combining multiple activities in one session. No need to save separately and no need to pre-select your activities. Just start recording and you can seamlessly transition to the next one. There's no limit to the number of activities. For example, in a real race, High Rocks, 1 kilometer run followed by 1 functional workout station. This combination repeats 8 times, including ski erg, sled push, sled pull, burpee broad jump, rowing, and more. You need to run 1 kilometer before each station. In this kind of race, you can use the Mixed Session activity. Let's look at the watch screen. Press the top right button. Select Activities. Mixed Session. Run. Press the top right button to start recording. When you want to switch activity, press the top right button. Select Next Activity. Choose Row Indoor. Press the top right button to start the row indoor activity. When you want to switch to the next activity, press the top right button. Select Next Activity. Choose Run. Press the top right button to start. When you finish the whole activity, press the top right button to end the activity. Select Save. In legs, you can see Run, Row Indoor, Run. The fourth new feature is a fully customizable lifestyle logging. Users can log their own behaviors and see the correlation between them and key health indicators such as sleep, stress, and HRV. For example, alcohol, late caffeine, healthy meals, massage therapy, etc. Reports show the impact among health indicator scores, positive, negative, or slight. Let's look at the watch screen. Swipe up from the bottom to enter widgets. Select Lifestyle Logging. If this is your first time using the feature, you will be prompted to set up your behavior list. Please follow the on-screen instructions. If this is not your first time using the feature, or if you want to edit your behavior list, open Garmin Connect. Select your watch. Select Finish Setup. Set up Lifestyle Logging. Select the three dots icon. Edit Behaviors. Choose Behaviors. Lifestyle. Self-care. Treatments. Sleep-related. Life status. Or custom. After editing is completed, just go back. On the watch, you can see your behavior list in widgets. Select Lifestyle Logging. Morning caffeine. 1 cup of coffee or 2. Confirm. Complete your lifestyle logging. The fifth new feature is Sleep Alignment in Sleep Coach. It lets you know how to sleep at the optimal time of your circadian rhythm. It helps you align sleep quality with your internal rhythm. Let's look at the watch screen. In Widgets, select Sleep Coach. Scroll down to enter Sleep Insights. Select Sleep Alignment. This screen means you haven't been worn the watch for 3 weeks, so it only shows your last sleep. When you wear it continuously for 3 weeks, 2 lines will appear. One is your last sleep, and the other one is your internal rhythm. When these 2 lines align, it helps body recovery. The sixth new feature is Health Status. It's a widget. Swipe up from the watch face, you will see Health Status. This feature requires wearing the watch continuously for 3 weeks. It observes your long-term habits. It includes various health indicators, heart rate, HRV, skin temperature, and SpO2 during sleep, letting you know whether your body is under extra stress. The seventh new feature is Color Filters. It meets different types of color vision needs. Let's look at the watch screen. Press the top right button. Select Settings. Accessibility. Color Filters. It provides grayscale, red-green, green-red, and blue-yellow display options. We choose blue-yellow. Exit and you will see a different color display. The eighth new feature is Spoken Watch Face. I once ran with visually impaired friends. Do you know how they knew the time? They used tactile watches to know the time. Now, the latest Venu 4 can read out the watch face by pressing the bottom right button from the home screen.
5:36 p.m. Today is Wednesday, September 24th.
To customize this feature, press the top right button and select Settings. Accessibility. Spoken Watch Face. Choose Off, Time and Date Only, or Entire Watch Face. And that's the new feature introduction of Venu 4. To learn more, please visit our official website or search for more tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.